have a look at the latch and the locking system on the doors in this camper trailer. This is the same latch that's also on our hybrid, so we'll go through it all with you. So it's not locked at the moment. We've opened it up and we have a moving system here so that you can get to the handle when you're on the inside, and you just flick that little latch there and that will detach the fly screen. So let's close that first. Does need to have a bit of a push to it. So inside here we have a red latch. This is locking the deadlock. So open and close with the deadlock. So we'll have the deadlock off and we'll close the door and we'll show you how that works. Oh, that lever there opens that. So we'll close that. Right, so this bottom latch from the lock here is the deadlock. Okay, so to turn the deadlock on, you need to rotate it, but then also to get the key out, the key needs to be up and down. So now the deadlock's closed. I can't open it. You can unlock it from the inside, from that red latch, but let's lock it with the key. Unlock it with the key. All right, so we're unlocked. Now, top one will do just that small little latch there. That doesn't need to be rotated back vertical to get the key out. So it's unlocked, and I'll just show you that's changing this one here. That's locking this lever here. So close it up. So we can lock it here and we deadlock here. So the door can be held open with this latch here. I'll just show you how that works. Open up the door, there's a little guide in here, and then that's going to stay in place from the wind. To unlatch, pull the door forward a bit, pull that out of the railing. It's on a spring load there, and then that's closed. Just on a little side note, sometimes the locks are different keys. So there's a little number in here. This one, it says 813. You can't identify 813. It's actually inside the lock. You have to take it apart. But just make a note that if we do give you keys, and there could be two keys, and that's because they are actually separate keys for each side.